Sentence expansion is a Collins writing activity where students come in and they're going to write a sentence first. These two other boxes, you can actually just kind of hide them. Your students don't need to see what they're going to be doing next, but you are able to maybe rinse and repeat this activity where your students will want to maybe continue to try this activity. So I'm just going to hide these first two activities right here from our students' screen. What happens then is our students are going to complete a sentence. And what I like to do is I like to create a question based on Bloom's taxonomy. So you might use a remembering type question, or you might use an evaluation type question. Think about the subject, think about where that kind of question or standard falls within the Bloom's taxonomy. Do I want my students to summarize today? Do I want to give them 3 reasons? So once you have that question, then your students are going to come in and complete that sentence. So for example, I might have an illustration here, and I might have my students complete the sentence. The illustration shows blank. They're going to write their sentence. After they write their sentence, I am going to give them some expansions. So the next step is this next box right here. So now I'm ready to focus in on expansions. That can be this. It can be content related, style, conventions. You might have them include 3 to 4 steps. So if this was an image of the water cycle, I might say, okay, I want you to include 3 to 4 steps. We want them to expand their thoughts and their ideas. And so again, have your kind of thoughts on what you want to look like. In Collins writing, they also say that you can give points. So if the students do this, they get 2 points, this, they get 3 points, and 2 points on that circling one. So again, I put my expansions right here. I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. And then my students take what they're supposed to expand, and you could even provide a mini lesson about the topic. You could go over that resource with them. Then they write their expansions here. So they take this sentence and now they're ready to expand to a new level of their learning. So try sentence expansion. It's a great way to get your students thinking and expanding their knowledge about a topic.